When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible to our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.